Alright, so we've done a lot of stupid stuff in our time, but I reckon this is probably one of the silliest of all.
Potentially.
We have no proper oars. We have a very weak rubber dinghy, but we do have GoPros to record our demise, and beers, scotch, ice, a bottle of water for...
And to the makers of the Rapid Rider 2, the esky is not nearly big enough for this kind of venture.
No, it should be at least this wide. But anyway, it was nice knowing you. There's bull sharks in the river, so...
No, they only come out at night in the dawn, so we... yeah.
Let's try this out.
Right.
Here we go. How you going, Mark?
Yeah, not too bad.
This is a great idea. Yeah. I need a beer. Do you need a beer?
I need a beer.
Let's get a beer. Oh, jeez.
There's a... I think it's hard to bring it up. Do you guys want to tow us around a bit?
We don't have a rope. Got a knife.
Oh, careful.
We've picked up a stowaway. Lumi.
Let's not hit this tree.
Okay, we gotta get on moving. Yeah. Hold it straight. Now we gotta find a speedboat to help ourselves. We brought one of those.
You did put sunscreen on your legs, didn't you, Luke?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My butt hurt.
Why is your butt there? And like, it's a,
You know-
it's a mesh bottom, so I can pee.
Who was that guy that was on the raft? That kid. He built that raft.
Wait.
You know the kid? The kid story? He built that raft and started flowing that Huckleberry Finn.
Huckleberry Finn.
I know now how Huckleberry Finn felt.
Huckleberry.
What? That was back in the days of steamboats and stuff.
Yeah.
So he was a kid, so he was probably allowed to drink moonshine and all that sort of stuff. So, cheers Huckleberry Finn. Because of you, I'm sitting in the middle of a river drinking a beautiful Heineken. Yeah. Listening to a speedboat that's about to come and put the wake on us.
Mm.
Which means
Wake
we're
surfing.
either going to be wake surfing or tipping upside down. And only one of us is wearing a life jacket.
Grab this quick.
Don't get snagged on the oysters.
Yeah, I don't want to get...
Of 2%. Okay, I'm gonna go toilet soon.
No, not in the esky.
Not now.
Don't do that. You're not peeing in the esky.
Oh, it's like... Man, we're still
Is it shallow?
that deep.
Let go. Oh.
If you need a poo. You can't... Is that in that bottom?
Status report.
So when
I'm calling red alert. We're nearly out of scotch.
Absolutely. You know what? Nothing you record today is going to be of any validity with anyone who's trying to save us, find us or anything, because it's April Fool's Day. They're just going to think we're joking.
We're not joking. Are we out of scotch? Scotch is left.
Where are we? No idea.
As you can see behind me, that's where the bridge was. So we don't know even where the bridge is. We're probably like a good 2 kilometers away.
we should go back right now.
Even if we wanted to go back, we don't know how. The tide's pushing the other way. The wind's pushing the other way.
Maybe let's go to those guys.
Rowing is not the best idea. And the water is super shallow, like ankle deep. But none of us want to get out. Probably because we're too lazy.
No, me, I'm freaked out of water.
There are people over there. I'm sure they're cannibals. So we're not going to go talk to them. No, they're cannibals. We don't talk to cannibals.
What's cannibals?
They eat other people.
Oh my gosh, Daddy.
That's what cannibals are. Don't wave at them. That's their code for cannibalism. Excuse me, my daughter thinks you're cannibals. Are you cannibals? See, I told you they eat other people.
You said that! Not me!
Start at the feet.
Daddy, maybe we should go to them and then
Help us now. You guys wouldn't be going that way, would you? You guys wouldn't be going that way, would you? Oh, that way? We'll pay you in beers.
Oh,
We
Daddy.
just want to get towed back. We're like 2 k's down the stream. Hey? Oh, you calling me a liar, sir? I have Heineken. All right. I think we're in the middle of some Noosa River. Look at the houses behind me.
I don't normally get unconfident at the sea, but right now we're too far to paddle back.
And look, he's not been helpful at all. Oh,
Man, just freaking out.
Yeah, I'm freaking out.
we are. We're in the middle of the canals.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Okay, swim.
Canals mean sharks.
Come on, swim.
Are you seriously worried?
Yes.
Why?
What do you think would happen with me and Daddy around?
Lots of things.
You've never been in trouble with us. We're here to look after you.
That way. We need to go that way.
Yeah.
That's the beach.
Excuse me, good people of the You Drive Without a License boat there. Would you mind towing us back to that way? We will pay in beer and children if necessary. Please. Like, we're seriously far away from where we started.
Quick, Paul.
Yep. Yep. Is that a yay? Yeah! We got rope, don't worry. We prepared ourselves for this adventure.
This is the best part ever.
Yeah, hold this. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa! We haven't thought this through.
What's wrong?
We're tipping into the water.
No, we're not.
Well, I am.
Well, I'm not.
Okay, he's fine. Is there a tow point?
No, that is the tow. You got the tow point.
Maybe we should type freeway.
No, that's okay.
Well, this was a good idea. Yeah, it does.
Oh, good. So good. If I don't survive this, avenge my death. Yeah, Paul. No, if we go back to the river. Yeah, no, just go up to.
This was an awesome idea. We're in the middle of some sandbank because, well, there's no way we can tow this. And we gotta do the humble phone call of calling someone to come and pick us up.
I reckon we could get towed back. We just need a jet ski guy who's willing to just go slow.
Well, we'll need to do a freeway tow here now.
Why?
Because
What was happening with the front of the boat?
it was sinking.
Yeah,
Weren't you sinking?
Yeah, no. If we tow from there,
Yeah.
right? Because see, the trouble with there is it pulls like that and it wants to go down.
Yeah, I think it needs to pull this way now.
No.
So it. Yeah, didn't we see that in Korea when we were flying the drones? I think we need to call someone to come and pick us up.
Well, if you want to give up,
Mark, we
Hey?
like the mother looked like.
The mum was not happy.
Yeah.
The guy was happy. Chick was happy. The other dude was happy.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah, we're all
This was a great adventure.
This was
Outback Polaks always gets into great adventures.
Right.
Is it a coconut?
Yeah.
But someone's already opened it. Where do you think the coconut? Oh, right there! There's a coconut tree. Yes, we need coconuts. Now the knife. Oh yes, that's one.
Which one are you?
All right, Mark's tying the ropes together. We're gonna try to get these coconuts.
Coconut, coconut. If you eat too much, you get that or something.
Gotta go ask for help. Hey, buddy. Would you mind if I used your phone to call someone to come pick us up? We floated up like 4 k's down the road.
Yeah, you're right.
Do you know where we are? What street this is?
Hilarious.
He's just got to go off at us. This was probably one of the best adventures we've had.
Yep.
We've met some really awesome people. We're about to get really scolded by my dad.
We are going to get chewed out.
Where is it?
You might have to bleep
And
some of this.
he brought his car instead of mine, which is a big 4-wheel drive, the
Yep.
fake Audi. So
Yep.
I don't know why he did that. Why would he bring his? We should have asked that guy to tow us back though.
I think we should have.
But I've let the air out. I've let the air out now. Yeah.
Oh, well.
Got some coconuts.
Hopefully
Come on,
make
Dad.
coconuts.
Where are you? We're getting driven back now.
Na końcu drogi skręć w lewo.
You're never coming with us
Skręć w
again.
lewo.
That is a good answer. I am never coming with you again.
Why? Did you drown?
Yes.
You did nothing wrong. Did you see any sharks?
Yes.
Bull
Na
crap.
końcu drogi skręć w lewo.
Seriously? Anything wrong happened?
Yeah.
What?
There was a group of a big shark coming
What?
to us.
When?
When?
When there was a black shadow.
Why don't you? That
How do you
was
know
a
the
school of
black-
fish.
That could have been anchovies.
Well, Mark said it was a bull shark.
Ah, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
You just stuff just comes out of your head like it's like it pops in your head and you say it. Well, it was aliens. Watched on YouTube said, "Hello."
Mm.
Yeah, look. See the 3 things?
Yep.
There's the ridge that he said.
Mhm.
What you got to do is you got to crack it on the ridge. So give me the axe.